Have you ever pondered the complexities of employment law? Navigating the labyrinth of rights, responsibilities, and legal obligations can be daunting. Consider the landmark case of Willis v. Coca Cola Enterprises, Inc., a saga that unraveled the intricacies of the Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, and Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Our protagonist is Jennifer Cross Willis, a long-standing employee of Coca Cola Enterprises, Inc., or CCE, since 1994. The plot thickens when Willis, after sharing news of her pregnancy and illness with her supervisor, finds herself without a job. Her termination, according to CCE, was due to her violation of the company's no-call, no-show policy. Refusing to be silenced, Willis took CCE to court. She alleged interference with her rights under the FMLA and accused CCE of gender discrimination, a violation of Title VII. The FMLA, for context, safeguards employees' jobs under certain family or health-related circumstances. On the other hand, Title VII outlaws employment discrimination based on sex and other characteristics. However, the district court sided with CCE, granting them a summary judgment. This decision meant that the court saw no need for a full trial, ruling that Willis had not provided enough evidence that she was seeking medical leave under the FMLA. The court also dismissed her claims of gender discrimination. This case is an invaluable lesson in the interpretation of the FMLA and its protections. The court's decision underscores the absolute necessity for clear communications and employers when it comes to leave requests. It also highlights the crucial understanding of the FMLA's specific requirements and protections. Furthermore, the case serves as a stark reminder of the ongoing challenges in interpreting and applying anti-discrimination laws like Title VII. The Willis v. Coca Cola Enterprises, Inc. case is a beacon for employers and employees alike. It stresses the importance of meticulous adherence to employment laws and the potential repercussions of miscommunication or misinterpretation of these laws. This case also illustrates the legal avenues available to employees who believe their rights under the FMLA or Title VII have been violated, and the stringent standards of proof required to win such cases. To summarize, the Willis v. Coca Cola Enterprises, Inc. case is a testament to the complexities of employment law. It emphasizes the importance of clear communication, understanding the nuances of the FMLA, and the challenges in applying anti-discrimination laws. It also serves as a stark reminder of the legal recourse available to employees and the rigorous proof required to prevail in such cases. Remember, the world of employment law is complex, but with understanding and careful navigation, it is far from insurmountable.